Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Journey podcast. I'm Tom, and I'm really happy you're joining me today. Let me ask you something. What do you usually do when you finally have some free time? Do you like to read, listen to music, maybe hang out with your friends, or just relax? Free time is one of the most precious parts of our day. It's the moment when we don't have to work, we don't have to study. This time belongs completely to us. And what's amazing is that everyone uses free time in a different way. Some people love quiet activities like reading a book, while others enjoy more active things like playing sports or traveling. Some find joy in learning new skills, while others simply want to relax, listen to music, and recharge. In today's episode, we're going to explore this topic through a conversation between two friends, Tony and Iris. Tony is curious about how to make the most of his free time, and Iris shares her thoughts and experiences about different activities that can bring happiness and meaning to life.
Iris, I've been thinking a lot lately. Free time is really important, but sometimes I don't even know what to do with it. How do you usually spend yours?
That's a good question, Tony. For me, free time is one of the best parts of the day. It's when I don't need to work or study, and I can just enjoy life.
Yeah, I feel the same, but sometimes I waste it scrolling on my phone. I want to use it better. What's one thing you like to do?
Well, one of my favorite things is reading. Books are like doors to new worlds. When I read, I can imagine traveling to faraway places, meeting interesting people, and feeling the magic of exciting stories.
That sounds amazing. Do you read for learning or just for fun?
Both. Reading isn't only for learning, it's also a way to relax. When I'm deep in a good book, the world around me feels quiet and peaceful. Do you ever feel that when you read?
Sometimes, yes. I remember last year I read a travel story and I felt like I was really there. It was relaxing.
Exactly. That's the magic of books.
Okay, reading sounds good. What else do you enjoy?
Cooking. For me, cooking is more than just making food. It's like creating something special. Imagine making a delicious meal and seeing your family or friends enjoy every bite. Cooking is like sharing a piece of yourself with others.
Oh, I like that idea. I don't cook much, but I remember once I made pasta for my friends and they really enjoyed it. I felt proud.
That's the feeling. Each dish we make is full of love and care.
Nice. What about exercise? Do you like sports?
Absolutely. Exercise is one of the best ways to spend free time. Many people think it's only for health, but I believe it also makes you feel free. When I walk, run, or dance, I feel connected to nature. Running in the fresh morning air with green trees around me makes me feel calm and happy.
Wow, that sounds refreshing. I usually just sit at home, but maybe I should try morning walks.
You should. It clears your mind.
Do you also like creative things like photography?
Yes, photography is another passion of mine. It's not only about taking pictures, it's about noticing small, beautiful moments. Imagine capturing a flower in bloom or a sleepy cat lying in the sun. These moments are small, but they are precious.
That's true. And with phones these days, anyone can take nice photos.
Exactly. And when we share them with family and friends, those little moments become shared memories.
Speaking of memories, music always reminds me of good times. Do you listen to music in your free time?
Of course, music has a special magic. It can make you happy, calm, or full of energy. Sometimes when I hear my favorite song, it feels like I'm in a different world.
Same here. Some songs make me want to dance immediately.
Me too. Music is something you can enjoy alone or with friends.
Speaking of learning, do you ever use your free time to study?
Definitely. Learning something new can be so exciting. For example, learning a new language like English or discovering interesting facts about the world. Every new word or skill feels like a little victory.
I love that idea. It makes free time feel useful too.
Exactly.
And what about spending time with friends?
Oh, that's one of my favorites. Time with friends is simple but filled with laughter and joy. We can play games, talk about anything, or just hang out. Friends really make life brighter.
I agree. Some of my best memories are with friends.
And finally, if I have the chance, I love traveling in my free time.
Traveling? That sounds big.
Yes, but it's wonderful. Traveling isn't just about seeing new places, it's also about learning about yourself. Walking through a new city, trying new food, meeting people from other cultures, it all makes me feel excited and alive. Every trip feels like an adventure.
Wow. I guess free time can be so much more than just relaxing at home.
Exactly. Free time is a gift. It's your chance to do things that make you happy, relaxed, and inspired.
Before we wrap up today's episode, let's take a moment to explore some useful vocabulary from our conversation. These words will help you describe your free time in richer and more natural English.
First of all, the key phrase is free time. It means the time when you don't need to work or study. For example, in my free time, I enjoy walking in the park.
Next, let's talk about the verb unwind. This means to relax after being busy or stressed. After a long day, she likes to unwind by listening to music.
Closely related, we have the word peaceful. Peaceful describes a calm, quiet, stress-free moment. Reading in the library feels peaceful.
Moving on, when we cook or do art, we actually create. To create means to make something new. He created a beautiful painting during his free time.
And of course, free time is often about sharing. To share means to give something to others. She shared her homemade cookies with her neighbors.
Another useful word is connected. When you feel connected, you feel close to someone or something. Exercising outdoors makes me feel connected to nature.
Photography also gives us the verb capture. Capture means to take or save a special moment. He captured the smile of his child with his camera.
And what do these moments become? They turn into memories. Memories are the experiences we remember. Family trips often create unforgettable memories.
Now let's add adventure. Adventure means an exciting and unusual experience. Traveling to a new city feels like an adventure.
When you succeed, even in small ways, it feels like a victory. Victory means success after effort. Learning a new recipe was a small victory for her.
Here's another word, hobby. A hobby is an activity you do for fun in your free time. Gardening is his favorite hobby.
And more specific, we have recharge. To recharge means to restore your energy. Spending a quiet evening at home helps me recharge.
Another great verb is discover. Discover means to find something new for the first time. She discovered her love for photography last year.
We also use the phrase quality time. It means meaningful time spent with people you care about. He spends quality time with his family every weekend.
Finally, one more important word, inspiration. Inspiration is the feeling of being motivated by something. Traveling to new places gave her inspiration to write stories.
We've just gone through some useful vocabulary to help you talk about free time more confidently. These words are not only important for building your English, but they also remind us of how meaningful free time can be. Whether it's discovering new hobbies, spending quality time with loved ones, or finding inspiration in the world around us, every activity adds value to our lives. Free time gives us the chance to recharge, to create memories, and to enjoy moments that make us feel alive. With that in mind, let's turn back to you and reflect on today's topic. So now, let me leave you with 2 questions to think about. 1. What do you enjoy most in your free time? 2. Do you like taking photos of beautiful things around you? Take a moment to reflect, and if you'd like, share your answers in the comments. That's all for today's episode. Keep practicing your English, enjoy your free time, and I'll see you next time.